So it looks like remote working is going to be here for a little bit longer, although with a light at the end of the tunnel is visible. So when you have people working from home, you have another set of risks and things that you have to look at as the business owner. And one of those is making sure that the transfer of information back and forth between their home and the business is safe and secure. And the best way to do that is with a VPN. So we definitely recommend VPNs. We have VPNs for our clients. They're a little tricky to set up. They can be a little overwhelming if you don't do a lot of network administration and network management. And there are different ways to set up VPNs too that can be always on so that it's just transparent to your user and all they do is just log into their computer and they are on the work network and have access to the work network and work resources and servers and files and things like that. So follow me for more tips. Be sure to like and share, and if we can help your remote workers work more securely, we'd be more than happy to help. Thanks.